The beach is not just a picturesque destination, it is a transformative gateway, a threshold that allows you to escape the burdens of everyday life and step into a world of tranquility and rejuvenation. As you set foot on the soft sand, you leave behind the weight of your worries, stress, and responsibilities, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and serenity. The beach offers a unique environment that effortlessly lifts your spirits and calms your mind. The gentle rhythm of the waves crashing against the shore creates a soothing symphony that lulls you into a state of relaxation. The salty breeze caresses your skin, carrying away the tensions that have accumulated within you. With each breath, you inhale the invigorating scent of the ocean, filling your lungs with a revitalizing energy that awakens your senses. As you explore the beach, you are greeted by a vast expanse of beauty. The shimmering blue waters stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting you to immerse yourself in their refreshing embrace. The golden sand beneath your feet provides a comforting foundation, grounding you in the present moment and allowing you to let go of the past and future. The beach is a sanctuary for self-reflection and introspection. As you sit by the water's edge, observing the ebb and flow of the tides, you are reminded of the impermanence of life. The vastness of the ocean reminds you of the infinite possibilities that lie before you, encouraging you to let go of limitations and embrace new beginnings. In this tranquil setting, you have the freedom to reconnect with yourself. Whether you choose to engage in a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, build sandcastles with loved ones, or simply bask in the warmth of the sun, the beach offers a space for you to rediscover your passions, dreams, and aspirations. It is a place where you can indulge in the simple joys of life and find solace in the beauty of nature.